Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore innovative gadgets and tech solutions to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into the world of cleanliness and convenience with a Fulljion compressed air duster. If you're tired of constantly buying air cans and struggling with dust, this could be the game changer you've been looking for. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our reviews. Let's get into it. The Fulljion compressed air duster is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. It's not just an air duster. It's a rechargeable, high-powered cleaning tool that's versatile and eco-friendly. This duster is equipped with a powerful 51,000 RPM motor, providing super airflow for deep cleaning. With the touch of a button, you can switch between 3 airflow modes: 33,000 RPM, 38,000 RPM, and a whopping 51,000 RPM. Say goodbye to dust and debris. This duster means business. No more running out of air can propellant. The Fulljion duster boasts a built-in 6,000 mAh battery that can run continuously for 20 to 30 minutes on a single charge. Charging is a breeze with the included USB-C fast charging cable. It fully charges within 3 to 4 hours, and the green light indicates when it's ready to go. This duster isn't limited to one task. It comes with 5 sets of nozzles, making it suitable for dust removal from computer cases, keyboards, cars, fans, windowsills, and more. It's your all-in-one cleaning companion. The built-in LED lights automatically illuminate when you power on the electric air duster, making it easy to clean dark corners and hard-to-reach spots. Plus, its ergonomic shape and cordless design make it comfortable to hold and easy to carry around. Here's a significant advantage. This duster is environmentally friendly and energy-saving. Unlike compressed air cans that produce chemicals, liquids, or ice during cleaning, this cordless air duster eliminates those concerns. It not only saves you money but also helps protect the environment. Using the Fulljion compressed air duster is a breeze. Long press the button for 3 seconds to turn it on or off. Short presses on the button allow you to switch between different wind speeds. It's that simple. With different nozzles to suit various scenarios, you can clean your computer, keyboard, fan, car, and more. It's not just a cleaning tool, it's your cleaning companion. In conclusion, the Fulljion compressed air duster is a must-have cleaning tool for anyone tired of traditional air cans. Its powerful performance, rechargeable battery, and eco-friendly design make it a smart choice for both practicality and sustainability. If you found this review helpful and are ready to make cleaning a breeze with the Fulljion compressed air duster, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. For more innovative product reviews and tech insights, subscribe to Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next video.